Let's take a look at this, and this is the original tail light. Nothing wrong with this, but it does look a little bit dated and not quite as bright as the new one. The plastics have changed a little bit. And also this edition has LEDs as well. So plug and play LEDs that are gonna look really, really good. So you can see really the kind of the dramatic difference between the two already. So you can see the plastic and the lensing is much more clear. It doesn't have that kind of refraction pieces in it. Plus the plastic is absolutely perfect. Plus you can see the LED stripe across, instead of it being just being two bulbs on either side right here and here. So this is going to be really, really simple. Let's go ahead and dig into what you need to do, and you'll get this done very quickly. All right, so the process is the same on both sides. All you're going to need is an 8mm socket, which is simple, but first of all, you gotta pull down the cover. It's gonna be the same on both sides. This car obviously has the CD changer, the original OEM CD changer, but it doesn't change anything if you don't. So right here is a plastic plate cover that goes over the top of your lights. There's a little twist knob right in the center. If you twist that, then this cover will pull back. And this carrier plate is what holds all of your light bulbs. And it's a little tight here when you have the CD changer in it and like, but go ahead and undo that nut and just pull the plate back and lay the plate back down flat. So let me work it past the CD changer here and I'll show you what that looks like. But this has all of your light bulbs in it, which may be a perfect time to refresh your light bulbs too if you haven't done it for a long time, or look at LEDs perhaps. But we're gonna pull this back and then we're gonna take out 4 8mm nuts, and then this whole light assembly just comes straight off. But let me get this laid down so you can see what that looks like. All right, so here's what this kind of light and electrical plate looks like when you tip it back, and then you can pull it out and set it here. Your two brake lights that you're going to change, because in this case we're actually going to use plug-ins off of the existing lights that are going to power the LEDs. So you're going to take these two bulbs out. Now if you're using a similar model, you know, you may do the same thing, or if you're using different, or you're just changing your bulbs or just changing the plastic, then you wouldn't do this step.